Hello everyone, welcome back to Challenge Corner, and in this video we will be learning how to make LinkedIn professional banner. And basically it's for like the students who are in technical background or aspiring to be in technical background. But yes, you can use this particular example in your case if you are inspiring to do different courses like skill courses like digital marketing, or want to be like a data analyst. So you can use this particular example as your LinkedIn profile. So I'm just taking an example from here. So I'm just using the tool Canva and Chat GPT. So basically we will not be copying anything from the Chat GPT, but to take an idea from the Chat GPT. That's what the problem solving and prompt engineering work together. So I'm just typing and just searching for some background theme and just the ideas how I can get a playful theme for this particular LinkedIn banner. So I have decided to take the theme in blue, black, or white theme so that we could maintain the professionalism. And for picture, I am using Pinterest tool because we can get so many pictures and good quality pictures from Pinterest. So I use basically Pinterest basically, not for the copyright issue. So we are just copying the images from there and just inserting the picture in the frames that I have here chosen in my LinkedIn banner. So we can also use free pick and all, but in free pick I found something like having the watermark issue. So I use Pinterest more. So here I'm just searching the picture of the website because I'm just making the LinkedIn banner in the perspective of a student aspiring to become a web developer. So here is the image that I'm inserting. So I'm just not inserting any image that I want. I was having some logical reason behind this because I want the pictures in such a way that it should convey the meaning or a story of a web developer, like which kind of person you are. So basically, the image selection and the content selection part is the most challenging part I find. And here you can see, like I have chosen a girl who is a coder. So basically the first frame is showing some codes. So the codes are like for programming whatever language we are using, and second frame is having the website interface, or I should say the UI UX design of a website that the coder girl has developed. And in the third picture the girl is looking like a professional. That means she has learned coding, she has developed website, and she is just pursuing her profession. And after that she want growth, more and more growth in this particular field. So this is how the story is just showing here. And I'm just using different elements like the professional elements, just like the code braces and all. Secondly, I have used the particular tagline related to code amp, and I should say like font selection is another major challenging part because I'm just finding the text that would align just like the code font. So the font we see in the programming language, like we are having a strict letters to determine the code. And instead of circular, or I should say small braces, I'm just using the angular braces so that it could focus more on the code related part. Okay, and your full name in the curly braces just like this. So choosing the particular color, background color, text font color, and the font style is another major challenging part. So it is very easy to see in this particular video because I have done it so fast in this particular video, by just making this video fast so that it would not waste your time, and the video would not be so long. But in actual it took me half an hour to make this particular LinkedIn banner, after just analyzing the idea, then planning how many pictures I would be using and which theme I would be using. And thirdly, I have chosen the particular text from the Chat GPT and modified it according to my LinkedIn profile. So here I am just assuming like this particular part would be hidden because of the profile picture that we had in our LinkedIn profile. So here I'm just choosing few elements that could align with my coding and technical style of professionalism. So if you are a student with no experience and you want to be active on LinkedIn, then you can just use this particular format. And for other field student also, I will be uploading more videos. If you would comment in the comment box like I want a LinkedIn banner related to digital marketing field or this particular field, or just a creative artist or a social media manager like this, so I will be making more videos on this particular theme. Okay, so I have used arrows, and now I'm just downloading the template. Now we will see it's downloaded, and it will be shown more uh, quality, more with the quality. And here you can see, like, more I zoom, it gets clear because we have downloaded template directly, not even the screenshot. So I hope that you like this particular video, and I will be uploading more videos, so please subscribe my channel.